guys, I did a Costco haul that I'm going to share with you today. I usually do all of our grocery shopping at Walmart, but I've been doing some Costco hauls here and there to get some things that we use a lot of, and it is a better value. So I really stocked up on some things that we use a lot. So I spent $360, which is a lot, but I really did get a lot of stuff that's gonna last us a long time, and it will also bring down my weekly grocery budget. So I'll share with you everything I got from Costco. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. So let me show you what I got. Okay, here is everything that I got at Costco. So I got 2 cases of this LaCroix sparkling water. It's really good. This will last us quite a while. So I wanted to get 2 cases because it's just a great value. So that'll be totally stocked up. I got a ton of walnuts. These walnuts will last us a really long time, but my kids really like them now, so I wanted to make sure we got a lot. My husband and kids do yogurt with walnuts, and so it's just a really great snack, perfect for the boys after school. So I really stocked up on these, so we'll have them for a while. Got 2 boxes of Kodiak waffle mix. I love this stuff. It is super high in protein, so it's just great, and it tastes really great. And there's a lot of different recipes that I keep finding on Pinterest using this mix, and so I really like it. Make a lot of muffins with this now, so I got 2 boxes, and I'll just have a lot in the pantry, but it's a great value, so really stocked up on this. I got for dinner, I think probably tonight, these burnt ends. So it's smoked and seasoned beef brisket. I'll do a side of rice and veggies as well, but these really look delicious. My family loves meat. Any kind of usually steak type meat is always a huge hit. So this brisket will be super good. I got 2 things of chicken apple sausage. We have been going through this really fast. I love it with my breakfast. My kids really like it. We've been doing it for dinner here and there recently. So I got 2 of these, and it's just like I keep mentioning, all of this stuff. It's really big servings. This is packaged really well. It's in 3 different packs of 5. So you don't have to open them, but this lasts a long time. Just keep it in the fridge, and it's just wonderful to have on hand. Lots of protein and protein bars. That is why my bill was pretty expensive or pretty high. So this packet of whey protein was $65. It definitely lasts a while, but now my husband and boys, they are all using it, so definitely wanted to stock up. So it will last a while, but 65 bucks for this, it's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. Lots of protein bars. My husband takes these in his lunches for a snack. So 2 of these pure proteins, and these are really low in sugar, and that's what he loves about them. 3 different flavors in this box: chocolate peanut butter, chocolate deluxe, and then chewy chocolate chip. So 2 boxes of these. And then this is the Costco brand. They are a little bit cheaper, but they're just a little bit different. So there's 20 in this box: chocolate peanut butter, and then cookies and cream. So really great to have a bunch of these on hand for super quick snacks. And like I said, these are super low in sugar, which the protein bars are usually very high in sugar. So you definitely have to be careful on that. So these ones, both of these are really great. I got a bag of these chicken strips. So they are really good. They're lightly breaded chicken strips, 21 grams of protein, 3 carbs and per serving, and they're really good. I put them in the air fryer, so they're pretty healthy and definitely delicious. And we have a bag in the freezer, but there was 1 chicken strip left, so we just left that in the freezer until we got this new bag. So we'll have chicken strips usually for lunch on the weekends one day for my kids. String cheese, really great value. This is a really big bag, so it will last us quite a while. I put string cheese in my kids' lunches with their lunch for school, so this will last us a little bit, and it's just a really, really great value. This barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's, this is the kind that my husband likes, and like I just keep saying, everything is just a great value. It's a 2 big bottles, but it was only $6.79, and if I get 1 bottle at the store that's not even this big, it's $4.99. So definitely save some money by buying it a little bit bigger. And then the last thing that I got here are windshield wipers. Kind of random, but we heard that these are really great, and it is just about that time of year to switch out the windshield wipers. And so it was really neat. There was like a little station, and you just put in your vehicle information, and it tells you which windshield wipers to get. These were $10.99 each, so they are supposed to last a really long time. Super good brand, Michelin. So excited to try these out. I got them for both my vehicle and my husband's. So this is everything that I got from Costco. It's just stuff that we are stocked up on now for quite a while. I've been trying to go to Costco about every 6 weeks or so to get some of the things that we use a lot of that are just a better value. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.